Alright, so addition, 1/2 inch. Rings. Tool. Insulated. It's a mess down here. Alright, the other one's right there. Grab it. Rings, insulation. There you go. So put insulation on this one. This one's already insulated. It's not going to be used. Just the new one right here. Okay, this one goes over there. So cut some off this. Cut right there. 1/2 inch. First the ring, then another ring for safety, and then this all the way. There you go. I'll go up right there, and then I'll do this one in a minute. Right there. There you go. Oh, it's the other one. 2 more rings. And where's it at? Get it all the way in there. Crimp it. And no addition. So one more. So I put double, just secure it better. Insulation. I'm gonna tape all this. These are the